In a quiet corner of the galaxy, the starship Grace 1 floated among glowing nebula clouds. Captain Eli and his crew of small robot drones worked hard to explore new worlds.
Great work today, team. Let's head home before the cosmic storm hits.
Copy that, Captain. All drones accounted for. Wait, no, one is missing.
Missing? Who?
Scout, the smallest drone. His signal just vanished near the shadow zone.
I can't leave Scout behind. Every one of my crew matters.
Captain, it's too risky. We could lose the whole ship.
Hang on, little one. I'm coming for you. Got you, Scout. You're safe now. Sorry, Captain. I didn't mean to get lost. It's okay, Scout. Even if you drift far away, I'll always come for you. Let's celebrate, team, because every one of you is precious.